Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best drawing tablets in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best drawing tablets. The 5th product on our list is Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. If you are just dipping your toes into digital drawing, then you should check out the Wacom Intuos tablet, which comes with training software. To start with, it is a drawing tablet without a screen, so you get a 5.98-inch by 3.74-inch active surface area to work on. As you can see, it is a rather small tablet meant for beginners, so it is quite compact and comes with a beginner-friendly setup. Coming to the actual drawing experience, the tablet offers 4096 pressure sensitivity levels, which should be suitable for beginners and enthusiasts. The stylus pen feels like a regular pen and is battery-free, so you can draw as you would on regular paper. Plus, as mentioned earlier, the tablet offers training lessons and software, which are built into it, which should come in handy. As far as your workflow is concerned, the tablet works with Mac, Windows, Android, and even Chrome OS. Plus, you get customizable express keys that you can set up with preferred shortcuts for quick access. Up next, in 4th place, is the Wacom Cintiq 22 Creative Pen Display. If you're looking for a standalone professional-grade drawing tablet, then you should check out the Wacom Cintiq 22. To start with, you get a huge 22-inch screen, which is bigger than some of the best large-screen tablets, so you will have sufficient screen space for your artwork. Further, the tablet has an anti-glare surface that should reduce eye strain and minimize distractions. For drawing, the tablet offers the Wacom Pro Pen 2, which promises a lag-free experience and the feel of a real-life pen on paper. Plus, it has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, so you can expect a professional experience. To make your workflow easier, the tablet also features express keys, a radial menu, and a touch ring, all of which help you add customized shortcuts for better navigation. For ergonomic comfort, the tablet comes with a built-in stand that you can use to angle the device as per your preference. The 3rd product on our list is the Wacom One HD Creative Pen Display 2019. If you're a beginner looking to explore digital artistry, then the Wacom One tablet would be a good starting point. The tablet comes with a spacious 13.3-inch screen, which should be sufficient for artists to draw, sketch, and even edit content. Plus, the display has an anti-glare coating, which should give you a comfortable viewing experience. Coming to the actual drawing experience, the tablet comes with a battery-free stylus pen, so you don't need to worry about running out of juice. Plus, the pen offers pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, which should give you a professional drawing experience. With Wacom, you also get access to software like Clip Studio Paint and Bamboo Paper, which might come in handy. Further, the device offers a hassle-free setup and use. All you have to do is use the single cable system to get started. Plus, the Wacom tablet is compatible with Mac, PC, and Chrome OS, so integration should not be a problem. As far as portability is concerned, the device weighs 4.4 pounds, which is portable, but not as lightweight as some other options on this list. However, you can decide to get the optional stand for more convenience. The 2nd product on our list is the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th generation M2 chip. If you want an absolute powerhouse for your creations, then you should check out the Apple iPad Pro 6th Gen. In fact, we think it's powerful enough to be one of the best tablets for photo editing. To start with, the iPad comes equipped with a powerful M2 chip that has a 10-core GPU and an 8-core CPU. You can expect this chip to handle demanding tasks like drawing illustrations, editing, and more. On the outside, the iPad Pro sports a large 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which boasts high brightness levels and vibrant colors. The display offers a P3 wide color gamut, which means you get a broader range of colors to work with and higher color accuracy. Now let's take a look at the actual drawing experience. To start with, the display offers a 120Hz refresh rate, which should let you draw with precise strokes and precision. Further, you get to draw with the Apple Pencil, which has to be brought separately. Another notable perk here is that you get to use exclusive apps like Procreate and Adobe Fresco, which should help make your workflow seamless. If you have to carry your tablet around, then you'd be happy to know that the iPad weighs only 1.5 pounds, which is surprisingly light, considering the screen size. Plus, you get an all-day battery life, so you can work uninterrupted. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the XENCELABS Wireless Drawing Tablet Medium. If you are looking for a professional tablet for drawing, then you should check out the XENCELABS Wireless Drawing Tablet. The tablet comes with a 12-inch pad, which should be spacious enough for most artists. However, you should note that you get only a 10.3-inch active area. Further, the display gives you a 16.9 aspect ratio, which matches industry standard displays. Plus, as the tablet works with Mac, Windows, and even Linux, so you should have no trouble connecting it to your computer. As far as drawing is concerned, the tablet offers up to 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which should let you use different strokes and textures for a richer finish. You get 2 stylus pens, a thin one and a thicker one, so you can choose as per your preference. Another noteworthy feature here is that the pens are battery-free, so you don't have to worry about to make your workflow effortless and more convenient. The tablet comes with built-in buttons that you can customize for your favorite shortcuts. Further, the device has a slight slope that promises to prevent hand fatigue during long drawing sessions. As far as portability is concerned, the device weighs only 1.9 pounds, which is portable for most people. However, note that you will also have to carry the dial and stylus pens along with the tablet. That's all for our list of the 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.